Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download PlayStation app on your PC. So the first thing we need is BlueStacks. If you don't have BlueStack on your PC, you can just search for BlueStack on your browser and then click download. In my case, I already have BlueStacks. So after the installation of BlueStacks, you should have this page. So then you go to System Apps, then Play Store, and then search for PlayStation app. As you can see here, you will find the app here. You just click on install and then you just click open. And there you go. Now you have your PlayStation app downloaded on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.